Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a quick unboxing and a review of the iPazzPort full Bluetooth mini keyboard for the Amazon Firestick right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing and a quick review of this awesome iPazzPort mini Bluetooth keyboard for the Fire TV stick. Now, this is basically it's made for any Fire TV stick, any version. You can also pair this keyboard with your Xbox, with your PlayStation, with your phone as well, as I have done that. And this keyboard seems to work awesome. Now, just to show you a couple features. Now, a lot of times, if you obviously have if you own an Amazon Fire TV stick, any version that is, or a Fire TV Cube, most of the time, I should say most of us are sick and tired of it's very hard to type, say, a name for the movie that you're trying to watch or a TV show with the on-screen keyboard that Amazon Fire OS provides. Now, it would be a lot easier to be using a rechargeable mini Bluetooth keyboard while having your Fire TV stick remote mounted on the opposite side of this awesome Bluetooth keyboard. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to do this like this. So this basically turns your Fire TV stick remote into it kind of becomes like a dongle. Actually, when you go ahead and install this, you want to install the bottom first, because you want the IR sensor facing this part of the Bluetooth keyboard case. And once you place this in here, now you have your Amazon Fire TV stick remote on one side, and on the other side you have a full QWERTY keyboard. Now, to turn this unit on, this is a rechargeable unit which has a lithium battery. To turn on, you basically press this is the power switch right here, and once you turn this on, you can see that a blue light just indicated that the unit is powered on. And this keyboard comes very handy again. So if you are searching for a movie, or instead of using the on-screen keyboard that the Fire OS provides, whether you're using an Amazon Fire Stick or the Amazon Fire TV Cube or PlayStation or an Xbox or even your smartphone, you can be using this keyboard, which comes very handy, which makes things much easier. Now, to put this in pairing mode, just to begin with, you press and hold down the function button and the shift button both at the same time, and this will put this unit into discovery mode. So then you can see here you have a full QWERTY keyboard, you have the space bar right here, you have the search button, and by the way, this is a backlit keyboard. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. You can see that every time you press a button, this keyboard lights up, or you can manually turn on the light for the backlit keyboard by pressing the bottom right hand side button, which is on the bottom right here. Just want to show you guys, and this is pretty awesome. And as you guys can see, this is a very bright keyboard for a rechargeable keyboard, and this comes very handy, so you can basically see exactly what you're doing even in the dark or in the daytime. Alright, so now that I showed you guys what this keyboard looks like when it's how good and bright when it lights up, when it's dark in the room. So basically here, like I said earlier, this comes very handy. It's rechargeable, uses Bluetooth technology, and you have a full QWERTY keyboard for your watching experience, and you have all the options. Honestly, you have the home button right here, you have the back button, you have the menu button, you have this light bulb icon. This button right here on the bottom right turns the keyboard lights on, as you can see right now, as I showed you here in a moment ago. This search button comes very handy. You just click search and it automatically brings the keyboard on your screen, whether no matter what device you're using. Then you have the fast forward button, you have the play and pause and resume button right here. Then you have the backwards button, and right here you have the right bottom left top button right here. And right here, I'm gonna zoom in here so I can show you guys. Here you have the back button right here, and you have the enter button right here. So I've been using this keyboard for about 5 or 6 days right now, and honestly, this has come very handy. It makes my Fire Stick experience much more smoother, and it's just so much nicer just to be able to type in any word or any movie or any basically any TV show or movie that I'm trying to watch instantly. This makes life a little bit easier when you have an Amazon Fire Stick or an Amazon Fire TV Cube or whatnot. So as I mentioned earlier, on one side you have your Fire TV Stick remote control. By the way, this keyboard does not come with the Fire TV Stick control. This control I had already owned with my Amazon Fire TV Stick, just as a disclaimer. So you're only getting your wireless Bluetooth keyboard. And by the way, this does come out of the case just in case. And I want to show you guys here. On one end, you have a micro USB cable, which iPazzPort does supply you with that in the box. You also get a user manual. And on this side, here's the sensor that connects to your device. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in here. It's very easy to take out of the case or put back in the case. And the same thing goes for the Amazon Fire TV Stick remote. And this does protect the Fire TV Stick remote as well as the keyboard itself, which comes very handy. So this is, again, a quick unboxing and a quick review of the iPazzPort mini Bluetooth keyboard for the Fire TV Stick. And I wanted to send a special thank you for the company for sending me this device, as it's been working very well. And as you can see here on the side, this works for the Fire TV Stick, all new Fire TV Sticks. You can pair this with your computer, you can pair this with your Android TV box, you can pair it with your computer or your smart TV. So basically all devices, basically any device that has a Bluetooth connectivity built in, you can connect to it and you can start typing away. So I hope you guys liked this short quick video, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section if you have any questions or concerns. And as usual, if you are new around here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date, and also click on the bell icon and choose all notifications to stay up to date with all new videos released down the road. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out my website as well at firetvstickusa.com, and also hit me up on Twitter as well at Techie Reviews. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.